Welcome to this video on what Microsoft buying Softomotive means for Microsoft's existing customers and the Big Three. If you like this, then please subscribe to our channel. Our videos help organizations quickly adopt new technologies, from RPA through to AI. In a moment we're going to share two massive factors that will make this an even bigger game changer, for the market, and for Microsoft's existing customers. We are certainly not critical of UiPath, Automation Anywhere and Blue Prism. They all have great products. What we share with you is our view of the market now, and where it is going. So, let's think about this for a second. Microsoft has 1.2 billion customers. The combined Big Three of Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, and UiPath have maybe 10,000. With the right incentives, Microsoft's sales force can reach, and sell to, that number of organizations in a week. That is not going to happen, but it could. It just illustrates what the Big Three are now up against. But there is one more bigger factor to consider. At the same time as Microsoft announced the acquisition of Softomotive for its Win automation and process robot technology, it also announced new tools for building machine learning models. This is not an accident. It is part of the incremental strategy that clearly shows where Microsoft is going. As the cloud matures rapidly and becomes more of a commodity technology, the real and lasting value add will come from simple-to-use tools that drive sophisticated results. And where better for Microsoft to get its clients started on that journey than by making it easy for them to launch meaningful robotic process automation. Without big consultancy costs, entry points drop, and pathways forward open up. We've heard over and over in the last 2 months from organizations wanting to build in resilience and flexibility to their operations. Then, in the next sentence, they start talking about RPA. This has come from conversations with major corporates and suppliers to organizations like Google, Facebook and Apple. Resilience and flexibility are how they see themselves being protected against all future business scenarios. So now, for what this acquisition of Softomotive means for Microsoft's existing customers. Every single existing RPA user is a customer of Microsoft, in some shape or form. All you need is an easy way and an incentive for every single one of the 10,000 existing users of RPA to switch over to Microsoft, and the Big Three could lose all their customers. Many are on annual licenses and some will be on 3-year agreements. That means, at some point in the next 3 years, all of the existing RPA users will be up for grabs. That may sound like a lot of hard work, as we all know that switching technologies can be very painful. But one thing that will be developed very soon, is a way of easily transferring a client from one RPA platform to another. It will clone the automated process, translate it into the next platform's terminology, and map it onto the new platform. This will happen within seconds. That way, any existing user of RPA will be able to flip to any other platform almost overnight. And this is the biggest threat possible to existing providers. With short contracts and an easy and fast migration path to new technologies, the Big Three are going to be severely threatened. We've seen significant cutbacks in many RPA players, from Antworks to Automation Anywhere. So the arrival of Microsoft in the game could not have come at a worse time for any VC-funded organization, living on last year's valuations, faced by new economic realities, while also reducing headcount. To repeat, UiPath, Automation Anywhere and Blue Prism have great products. This is not a criticism of them, just a view of the market now and where it is going. In the next video, we look at what Microsoft's purchase of Softomotive means for the big consultancies. The Big Three has just become the Big Four.